Hey mga kayub! So we're off to Kakabeka Falls here in Thunder Bay. So hope mag-enjoy kayo sa ating trip ngayon, di ba? So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button. It's You Make Me Smile vlog. So let's see, 7 minutes na lang. We're here at Kakabeka Falls. See? Kakabeka Falls. Proceed to the route. Sa bahay niya eh. Saan pa, B?
Proceed to the route.
Shut up. Any road.
May daanan doon. Pinaproceed to the route tayo. Baka lumang dating daanan.
So we're here. Do we need to pay? Or what? I don't think so.
Stop.
There is. There should. So, may bayad po ang parking natin. It's 5.25 for 2 hours. At nagbabayad na po si Madam Rowie. Madam Rowie! For verification from bank, please wait. Please wait for the ticket. Alright. So, yun. May pa-ticket na tayo. See, ito po yung ticket natin sa Kakabeka Falls. Ganun. November 21. Galing. Kapark na at we're here already. Holy! Oh, grabe. Ay, naku. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi pa nga ako Holy! Diba? Holy, ang ganda! Hi! Hi, babe! Hi, babe! Gwapo niya.
Look, babe. It's like a candle burning, right? Pick it up.
Saging! Holy! Tingnan nyo! It's breathtaking! My God! I can't explain. I don't know what I say now. Char! So, tingnan nyo! Diba? Parang, my God, worth it siya! Worth it! Promise! Parang natakot ako mahulog yung phone ko! God! Tingnan nyo! Holy! Ang galing! Amazing! Ang galing, guys! Diba? Grabe ang nature here! Tingnan nyo guys! Diba? Sana all na lang tayo. Oh, may pa-birds pa. Pa-birds. Diba ang galing dito, in fairness? Like, hindi mo... shoot! I can't explain. Like, nahulog ang phone ko, see? Wait. Wait muna sa picture natin. So, dito.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
It's your girl, Abel, again.
Anong masasabi mo sa fall?
It's...
Wag mo na sabihin yung sinabi, hindi mo na
What did you say?
yung, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo, Rowie, sa falls? Dito tayo, interview to.
It's
Ano?
magnificent.
As in, right? Nakakatakot.
It's like just like a wax burning thing. Look at that.
Pero, correct. Oh, ang galing mo. Tingnan nyo. You can. Picture daw. Abel, picture. Ha? Picture mo phone. Naka-video ako kasi iba-vlog ko to para remembrance. Ang picture iba naman yan.
Ito maghawak din.
Ikaw na yan, hawak mo na yun.
Ayaw nga!
Wait,
Parang kita.
Oh, ikaw. Magkawak nito.
Isa mo muna.
Lagay mo doon, oh.
Wait sa ha. Wait sa girl, yung...
Tayo sa kanila naman, umalis mo na tayo.
Uy, yung vlog ko ba? Umalis ka nga.
Salang yung ano.
So, ano masisay nyo?
It's beautiful. It's breathtaking.
Tapos na yung pictorial, guys.
It's like a 4th of July.
Huh?
Fireworks!
Ah!
Festive!
Ah! Uy! I hate you! Pupunta pa tayo doon?
Tayo sa
Sige,
beach
go.
natin.
Guys, doon tayo sa may paharang. Ang lamig, guys. Akala ko wala tayo sa Canada, charis. So, pupunta tayo doon sa may pa, yung may pa bridge. Kasi, as in guys, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo nga, oh. Di ba? Kung mahulog to yung phone ko, sinong kukuha? Ganun.
We are here now at Kakabega Falls
Ganun.
in Ontario. It's
Thunder
about 48 kilometers from Thunder Bay
to...
and more than 400 kilometers from our home, Red Lake.
Da! Bakit alam mo?
Of course, it's geography.
So yun. Ang galing, di ba? Kakabeka! Helele! Quarantena! Charis! As in, worth it talaga yung pagpunta mo dito kahit dito lang kayo pupunta. It's very worth it. Tapos pag alam nyo yung kaibahan sa Dubai or anywhere na place, ang kaibahan dito guys is walang bayad.
The
Upper portion.
The upper layer of the lake is frozen, like completely frozen.
Ulitin mo ang frozen. As in, kasi pag sa ibang bansa ka may bayad to, like they'll be needing
Sure, ganun oh.
a payment or like babayad ka ng $20. Sige, picture, isa-isa. Yun lang man siguro ang falls die. O, uli na, uwi na.
Ito muna dito. Dali ka.
Holy m***. So, yun. At ang ganda lang. Walang masabi. So, paalis na kami. At yun. I think that's all for today, mga kayubs. So, see you next vlog. See you next trip. Pinaka first na ko na trip or vlog. Nature strip. Ganun! Di ba?
I think this is the farthest.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Within
7 hours?
The farthest within the province, Ontario.
Correct. It
Right.
is. Yeah. And let's say hi to our... Ano mo na yun?
Hello to all Kim subscribers.
Yeah.
Please like
Subscribe.
and dislike that video.
No!
Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell
Bill Butun.
Okay, again, please like, share, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng vlog ni Kim. Again, it's your girl, Abel.
And I'm You've Make Me Smile Vlogs. And Rowie Infantes.
Baby.
See you next vlog mga kayo.
Hi.
Bye.
Ciao.